This is the anti-rollbar, the front one. Hefty piece of kit. It's a bit weighty, but then it's got to, because it's like a giant spring. It's like, it's what they call a torsion bar. What happens when one side of the suspension goes down, it pushes goes up, it pushes the other up to compensate for it, giving you an even ride, and that's why it's called an anti-roll bar. So going round corners, when you're going round corners, if it weren't for this, your front driving side suspension would bottom out and your near side one would come up. But this stops that, eliminates it, thus anti-robble. Clever piece of kit, really, excellent. But a must, because you won't be able to drive your cars like you do if it weren't for this piece of kit. So let's see what we can do around here. It's a pig to pick. It's a pig to take. You can see it's heavy. The times I've dropped these when I've been painting them. I'm going to try and hang it up somewhere when I've done it, because you have to. I'm back in a tick. I'm back. Basically, I've got to put plenty on, let it dry for a couple of days. It don't look bad. But of course, these will be checked before they're rebuilt back onto the car, just to make sure that everything's done. That's it. Sorry about this. Get my head down to it. Have a look underneath it, you see. Of course, I've still got that middle to do. I've got to wait for ends to dry so I can push the anti-rollbar rubbers to where they go. They go on that part there, look. That maybe goes up. So, yeah. Now I've got to find a way. I'm hoping that this holds it. If it doesn't, it's a bit bad now. I think I've got hotels. The rope, we got some rope, but I don't have any screws strong enough to hold it. That's the problem. That's not going to be doing anything. Let's have a look up here. A bit over the what you call it, but let's see. Not going to do it. See what I want to do. They're like fantastic. I'm going to stand this up. Where is it? And that is the that's anti-rollbar painted now, ready to be fitted. We've cleaned the threads, cleaned it all up, cleaned the nuts, the washers. Basically it's just ready to go back on. Of course, in restoring, when you put it back on, if it needs a lick of paint here and there, catch marks, you do it. Put back meticulously, you see. Some restorers you get a little bubble wrap and wrap it up when it's dry, and then fetch it out when it's ready to go on. Keep the bubble wrap until it's finished, and then take the bubble wrap off carefully. But yeah. I thought it went recording there. Anyway, that's that for that one. So all I can say is see you later.